Hey, Nightmare Foxy? Yeah? Remember that day when we used fighter jets and we dogfighted each other? Or dogfought each other, I guess? Yeah, I do remember that. Well, maybe we should be nice to each other. But what place would we go to be nice to each other? Because home, it obviously isn't working. Going on a vacation worked for me, but that was only with Funtime Foxy. Yeah, I hate you. I still hate you for that. Yeah, wait. I don't know what I was going to say next. But, wait. Hold on. What about... Do you like monsters, right? Yeah? And I like trucks, right? Yeah? So, what? Well, it's pretty obvious what we want. It's what? A monster truck show! Keep it down, you guys. I'm trying to sleep. Ugh. I think he passed out when he ate those goldfish sitting next to him. Hey, wait a minute. Why does Why does Neon Freddy / Blacklight Freddy, because of that video, why does he always sleep in the days? He's a nocturnal animal, of course. We're nocturnal. We're animatronics, but enough breaking the you know what? We have to get tickets. Hurry! Oh yeah. Okay. I'll go get the tickets. You'll go talk to the guy, okay? Okay. Oh my gosh, that was so fun. Also, I can't believe I got this monster truck. Yay! I love it so much. Nightmare Foxy, it's just a stupid toy monster truck. Why do you even like that thing anyway? Because I can have fun with it on people, especially Neon Freddy / Blacklight Freddy. Yeah. Really? Come on. Yeah. So I'm gonna play it with him. Uh-oh, I have a bad feeling about this. Hey, Neon Freddy / Blacklight Freddy. Look at this monster truck. Ow, too heavy. Who's doing that? Nightmare Foxy! Well, the camera's not going to show the fighting that time because, well, it seems like the editor doesn't want that, so I guess I'll just leave.